everyone! Today, we got something exciting news, an opportunity for anyone interested in scalp micropigmentation training. Let's get started. Why you choose the Dr. Scalp training? We are not just trainers, we are masters and experts with years of hands-on experience in this field. When you train with us, you are learning from the best, ensuring you have a solid foundation to build your skills. Now, let's talk about the benefits. One of the most unique aspects of our training is the one-on-one experience with our expert instructors. We get to practice on real clients under expert guidance. This hands-on experience is invaluable and will set you apart in this competitive industry. Finally, upon successful completion, you will receive a certification from us. If you excel during your training, you may have the chance to work alongside us. Together, we can elevate this industry. Join us for unforgettable training experience. Check out the links below for more information. See you next time and jaga diri, okay?